Is that more comfortable than the bench?
I like to sit on the floor.
And today was my third day cycling here in Estonia. And I have a feeling that this episode is turning into how not to tour the Baltic countries. So I hope Estonian will forgive me for not showing the best of what Estonia has to offer. I have been feeling a bit under the weather the last few days. Started with a sore throat, not feeling really good. And obviously I think also my moods, you know, it's not been easy, I suppose. Being on the road for 3 months has taken a little bit its toll. I didn't plan to do the islands, which I know would be the best, probably cycling here in Estonia. On the other hand, I've done a lot of islands, you know, and taken loads of ferries, and I've been mostly close to the sea for 3 months. So I suppose, you know, that's partly also the reason why I thought I would skip them. But something else happened, because 2 days ago, as I was cycling with another cyclist, very nice young French girl, amazing. She's been cycling from France since April. And as we started the second day from the campsite, I started hearing a rattle on the rear wheel. I wanted to keep motivated. I said, I'll get to Haapsalu. There were 3 shops shown on the map. And I said, I'm sure they'll be able to fix something. And when we got there, found an amazing guy, very helpful, a mechanic. And he just, you know, I told him what was happening, what I was hearing. And when I got back, you know, he said, well, I have some good news, some bad news. The rear axle kind of, it's got a cover, aluminum cover, and that cracked. And that's why I was hearing the rattle, especially when I was freewheeling. The guy said he's never seen anything like that. And but mostly, you know, it was frustrating in the sense that he said, well, you know, I'm afraid for 36 spokes wheels, this is not something that you will find in Estonia. He told me also that he had tried to patch it as best as he could, and he'd given me some confidence that, you know, if it was his bike, even in this condition, he'd be happy, you know, to ride it about 100 kilometers to get to Pärnu, which is where it's easier to get buses, you know, to Riga or even go back to Tallinn. There was not much connection in Haapsalu. So I've taken the straightest road I could find to Pärnu, which meant traffic, although it wasn't actually too bad. But mostly the scenery was completely lacking, so there won't be many videos of Estonia. And I feel really bad, you know, to Estonian people, because it's a beautiful country. So I won't be doing it a good service. So if you want to see the beauty of Estonia, just look elsewhere. I'm sure you'll find amazing videos on Estonian cycle routes and free campsites like this one. Hi John, I'm the guy that sent you the picture and an email about a broken rear axle. The guy that is in Estonia. So yeah, the situation is that they told me in the shop here that because I have the 36 spokes rear wheel, apparently they just don't have the part in Estonia. They try to call even shops in Tallinn. You were mentioning in your email that you'd be able to send me express mail, maybe the part. Yeah. Yeah, because my option is either to do that or to have a new wheel built, but I don't want to waste the money, and I was hoping that your wheel would be lasting a bit longer than that. Now the thing is that I'm not staying in Estonia because when a guy called Tallinn and they said they couldn't even fix it there, so I was thinking what I should do next, and he managed to get the bike kind of going until a place here where I can get a bus, and I'm going to Riga, which is in Latvia, close by country, and just because it is a bigger city and they have more bike shops, and then there, I was thinking I would decide if I need a new wheel. So I think what I can do is to contact a bike shop in Riga and ask them if they can have their address and if it's possible for you to send the part. Almost in Pärnu. I think I'm just 6 kilometers away, and the mechanic, I must say, was spot on, because he told me you should make it to there. And for the first time I just heard a little bit the rattling noise of the rear hub, and but that's very good. I'm sure I'll make it there, and then hopefully in Riga we'll get the part which has been sent from the UK, and I'll be back on the road with a new wheel. The joys of Brexit meant that I'm still in Riga. I've been here almost a week, but finally I'm on my way to a post office which seems to have received the parcel. It was quite a performance to have it cleared from customs, but thanks to the help of a bike shop here in Riga, and Tom particularly, he was able to help me and just fill in documents online, waste a lot of time for me. And let's see if the parcel is there, and let's hope it's the right part. Hello. I hope I'm in the right place. I just need to pick up a parcel. Oh. Thank you so much. Thank you. As small as it was painful to get, but finally here it is. Let's take it to the shop. Good news? You're a star. Thank you so much.